Okay guys, so as you can see, I already have my contacts on, and these contacts are from color CL in the color white out. So there it is, white out, and this is the packaging. So I love their contacts. So I went ahead and started with the shadow already off camera, just because just two colors, like a hot pink and a deep red, just blending them together, and that's about it. So I didn't see the point of recording that, but I will be recording the rest. So if you guys are interested, just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to be using this red glitter from JCat and the NYX glitter glue, which I love. This contact literally keeps moving, so might be looking weird for a bit. So I'm happy with the way the glitter is set up. I think it's good like that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cleaned my shadow, took out all the glitter speckles, and I am ready now. These contacts keep moving around. Pretty sure you guys are gonna notice because I could feel them just moving around everywhere. So yeah, don't mind that. Okay, so from here, what I'm gonna do is I do want to draw in like the little Minnie Mouse little thingy. So I'm gonna be using the LA Girl eyeliner in white, just because I want like a little draft. I want to fuck it up. Always better to go in with a light color. Yeah, that looks so crooked. It's a good thing you could always erase. Ready to try again. Okay, so I think that's as straight as I'm gonna be able to get it, and then now I'm just gonna go over it with black paint. It could be any black paint that you have, or it could be liner, it could be shadow. Alright guys, so I decided to go in with a voiceover just because I wanted to listen to some music. So I am starting with a thin brush here, just so it could help me with the lines, and then I'm gonna be going in with the brush that's a little thicker to fill in the peak. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be going in with this black shadow, which is going to help me set my paint, and it's just going to make it look a little more blacker. Okay, so now to make those lines a little more straight, I am taking some concealer and a thin brush. Go ahead and apply some foundation, going in with the white liner so I can create the mouth. Something like this. Okay, so now I'm going to be filling in the mouth with some black paint. So far, I'm loving this Halloween look. Okay, so now I'm going to be drawing in this little squiggly lines, and I'm going to be doing it all around the bottom. Now I'm adding more black paint and dragging it outwards. Doing the same thing at the top. Some eyeshadow in between. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding some liner. So I went ahead and added some blush and then drew in the nose. Okay guys, so this wraps it up. This is the last step, and then I just went ahead and added my Minnie Mouse ears. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys on the next one.